Elimination. Equilibrium. Escape. Evolution.
Elimination of cancer cells in a process called immunosurveillance. The goal is to destroy the malignant cells by our own individual immune cell army. Eradication of neoplasms, selective pressure on refractory cells. Natural killer cells may shape leukemic cells in the process of immunoediting.
Elimination. Equilibrium.
Escape.
Evolution.
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 Evolution. Phase 1.
Destruction of malignant cells.
Phase 2.
Survival of the meanest clones.
Phase 3.
Escape and multiply again.
Escape and multiply again.
Resist.
Reject.
Refuse.
Reset.
Deny.
Dilute. Reset.
Deny.
Dilute.
Derisive. Destructive. Align. Arrange.
Aim.
Attack.
Track.
Tailor. Target.
Terminate.
DNA barcodes make evasion visible. Quantify the process of surveillance and progression. Find new targets to overcome resistance. Produce new weapons to fight against cancer.